Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Wednesday the 17th of December with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hand Tech Markets. I'm going to move on to cable now, and cable has had a bit of a rebound yesterday. So, well, I say a bit of a rebound, a fairly sharp rebound actually, that to be honest has not done a great deal, but has just been the latest one in this long line of Forex pairs that have broken this dollar positive trend. But to be honest, across the cable chart itself, there's not been a major amount that it's been achieved yet. We're still trading below that 58.25 mark, which I believe is the key resistance on this chart. In terms of what's the price action is doing, is sort of we're just still trading in a bit of a sideways range, really. If I just quickly zoom out here, you'll notice that basically in the last month or so, we've just been trading sideways within this band. So you can use this RSI in a trading band, use the hourly RSI as your signal. When the RSI goes oversold, you start to think about buying. When it goes overbought, you think about taking your profits or selling. And it seems to be the case again yesterday and the day before. We had the I said day before, on 15th, which yes was Monday. We had a rebound from the RSI coming below 30. RSI then subsequently went above 70, and the cable price drifted off again. So we're now back towards 47 on the RSI, so therefore pretty much middle of the range. In the last half an hour or so, we've had positive UK unemployment data again, and that has improved cable, given sterling a bit of support. Not a huge amount, but I think the reason is that the major focus today will be on US inflation and subsequently the Fed into the evening. But in that case, I would still continue to play the range. I would still say that anything sort of back towards well, certainly following on from that peak at 57.85, you've suddenly started to find resistance around this 57.60 mark again, which was an old resistance high as well. So a couple of reaction highs yesterday around that 57.60 mark. So I think any sort of rebound that we get intraday towards that may be considered to be a chance to sell. And I think we are probably going to be pulling back towards this 56 mark in due course. And to be honest, we've had so much volatility in these Forex markets, and so much, say for example on dollar yen and also the euro, both gaining against the dollar. Cable's not really seen that in the last few days, and it may well be that sterling has missed the boat on this one. And I think that subsequently. The dollar will, I think, ultimately win out in the end, and when this volatility in the financial markets starts to subside, I expect the dollar to start strengthening again, and that would start to pull cable lower. So that's what I think is going to be seen. I think cable has probably missed out on the recovery phase, and I still see that 58.25 resistance I think is going to stay intact, and I think rallies are a chance to sell, and certainly selling within this range I think is still a decent strategy. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.